Oh, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Holden Acadia, stock number 6170. This ran from the 8th 2018 to the current shape. It has an AC 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is an AC 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,